Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to change name on Airasia Booking. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Airasia account, which of course I've done right here. Next thing is, how can you create an account on Airasia? So just launch in the browser of your choice, locate the search bar. In the search bar of your browser, type airasia.com and follow through the on-screen instructions to create your account. After creating your account successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time on Airasia. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's task, and that is how to change your name in Airasia. From this homepage, head over to the bottom right corner of your screen where you have the Chat with Bo option. So click on Chat with Bo. So I'm going to click on Start New Chat. So click on Airasia Flight. Popular topics. Now here you have name correction, flight change, beforehand, I can't make payment, itinerary, and back to previous menu. Click on name correction. Thank you, Bo. Now, please ensure you have a valid document readily available for the passengers that you want to update. This could be an identification card, passport, or a government-issued ID. So go ahead and click on yes to have the document ready. Okay. May I have your booking number, which consists of 6 characters? Now, where can you find your booking number? You can find it in your confirmation email. After booking your ticket, you must have gotten your confirmation email in your email that you use in registering Airasia. Go ahead and open up the email, check your confirmation mail, and copy your booking number. Once you do that, paste it here and send it to Bo. After sending it to Bo, Bo's going to help you to change your name on your Airasia booking. So this is pretty much the process. Now I can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.